Today we have this light that we just got. We're gonna put it up. Let's see what's in the package. Here's what we got. The user manual. It's a light, low profile. This is what it looks like. We're gonna throw that up in the room. This thing looks like it comes undone somehow. Spins. There we go. So this mounts to the box, and it's got a safety wire on it so that if it falls. The light comes with a bag of hardware, just in case you need some. So this isn't just any light, it's a smart light. So we gotta download the app. Find the Prodigy Tech app in your favorite app store, download. To hook this up, you're gonna just use the screws from your box, mount this mounting plate on, and then we're going to hook up just the black and the white wires. Make sure your power's off. This one does not have a ground. Once you've hooked up the wires, you just want to test it and make sure that it's going to work. To get the light to stick to the roof, you have to twist it on there, and so you twist it on and then it stays. So this light goes from color temperature 6500 to down to about 3500. Very yellow. In the settings, you can adjust the color temperature and also the bright dimness. Alexa, turn the master bedroom light off. Works with Alexa.